With shadows on glowing screens, while I drift through silver shadows unseen. Your silence hums like midnight air, endless, infinite. I'm a lonely man fading in the rain. I reach through the void with trembling hands, yet drown beneath the weight of your stare. Even your absence echoes through the room, like shadows still breathing somewhere in the gloom. Refracted through my pain. We dance beneath collapsing skies. Two broken hearts still dying side by side. We share a bed, but not the sky. You never turn, leaving me alone like a man wandering through the desert. You wanted freedom, I gave you my all. Still you watched me crash and fall. I gave you love, you gave me disrespect. Behind your you broke my heart, tore it to shreds. 1,000,000 miles, same bed. I'm cold inside a desert heat. My heart forgot how love can be. No questions left, nothing to prove. I fade in trust while you still move. Every memory calls your name, and even now through all this pain, I still wait for you to stay. We share a bed, but not the sky. You're 1,000,000 miles behind your eyes. I call your name, yet you never turn, leaving me stay, though it hurts too much. You'll never know the tears I shed, loving you. I believe in open doors, not in secrets, not in secrets, not locked hearts, not secret codes, in something real that doesn't need to fight. I don't need to touch your phone at night. I wanna trust you every moment. I am not afraid of where you go, if your heart is clear, if your love moves right. Love was simple, love was sound, when nothing had to be locked down. I am not interrogating you for your mistakes. I am not trying to control your life. I am trying to understand. I just want a love that stands in respect, not hiding what I cannot see. When love had no password, no code to break, no walls of doubt, no games to play, we stood our ground. Respect was love, not tracking sound. I don't want keys to every door. I want a heart that's sure, not forced. When trust was real, not hard to prove, that was the time when love was true. Let transparency become our bridge. I believe in love, trust can be built, not with secrets and lies. Marriage is not a cage of fear, it's two free souls choosing to stay near. But too much private space can slowly push our trust away. If I need passwords to feel secure, and something deeper is not pure. Love should not live inside constant doubt, or turn our lives inside out. When love had no password, no double life, no silent checks, no sharpened knives, we trusted words, we trusted eyes, not apps, not logs, not alibis. I don't want access, I want belief, I want your calm, not constant grief. If love feels watched, it breaks apart. I want a home inside your heart. how questions turn to midnight calls, how openness begins to feel like crime when every step is underlined. I don't wanna love where you feel controlled, I wanna love that feels whole. If transparency becomes a fear, then trust was never living here. When love had no password, it could breathe. No lockdown hearts, no secrets teeth. Just real, just care, just open air to people choosing to be fair. A steady hand, but trust must live, or our relation will fade. I miss the days when love stayed brave. I don't want your passwords, I want your honesty, because love does not need permission when it is built on dignity.
Is there any girl in this world, someone untouched by the noise and smoke, who still believes in gentle hope, who never chased the burning lights, nor lost herself in endless nights? A quiet heart beneath the sky, with honest tears she never hides. Tell me, does she still remain somewhere beyond the restless rain? Somewhere breathing softly now. She walks alone through fields of wisdom, moonlight trembling on her face. And if she exists, oh, if she exists, maybe she whispered words of hope. She's the girl with a crown of beauty, a heart like morning dew, untouched truly. Hard to find, not easy to find, a rare ruby glowing through the dark of time, a pure heart, a rare flame, still dancing softly through the rain. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. Look at the world today, just look how fast desire rewrites the books. They chase the gold and call it life, wearing loudness dressed as pride. Luxury lights flood every street, yet lonely hearts still cannot sleep. And somewhere innocence grows weak. Beneath the noise nobody speaks. They call it freedom, modern society. Still I believe there's someone rare, a gentle heart untouched somewhere, not bought by fame, not sold by gold, a quiet heart with warmth untold. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. Her silence speaks what words
crown of beauty. Softly say my life, my choice, while drifting farther every day. Lost in a world of fleeting fire, drowning slowly in desire. But purity fades where noise wears crowns, and blinded hearts still wander down, searching for pleasure they cannot hold inside a world that's growing cold. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. Her silence speaks what words can't see. Hard to find, not easy to find. A breath of gold in a world gone blind. Oh, rare ruby, radiant flame, still untouched by the hollow game. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. If I could find a girl like that, it would feel like finding a heart of diamond, a rare gem hidden from the world's softest moonlight on a quiet stream. Hold each second carefully, like a fragile diamond inside my hands. And every breath beside her heart would feel like finally understanding what beauty truly means. And I would never, ever let her fade away. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. She's the girl.
Was it love, or just a shadow I believed in? I'd rather remain single for the rest of my life than live beside a wife who won't honor what's right, who won't respect me. I'd rather remain single than beg her to stay. Better alone in honesty than living in doubt. Better remain single. Better remain single. Our marriage felt like a dream that never had a heart. We were writing something broken and calling it whole. 5 years of memories fading into doubt. I was holding us together while you were walking out. You chose your freedom, I chose to stay. But love without respect slowly fades away. Better remain single. I was the one who hurt the most while you rewrote than live beside a wife who won't honor what's right, who won't respect me. I'd rather remain single than beg her to stay. Better alone in honesty than living in doubt. Better remain single. Better remain single. Better remain single. Better remain single. You search for freedom, but forgot the cost. A heart without grounding is easily lost. Marriage is balance of duty and care. You can't take the love and leave nothing there. Trust is the anchor that holds everything. Once it is broken, there's no returning. Now I see everything clear. The silence speaks louder than fear. And now I see everything clear. The silence speaks louder than fear. It's not too late to choose my way, to let this illusion finally fade away. I'd rather remain single for the rest of my life than live beside a wife who won't honor what's right, who won't respect me. I'd rather remain single than beg her to stay. Better alone in honesty than living in doubt. Better remain single. Better remain single. Better remain single. Better remain single. You chose your path, I choose my life. No more questions, no more fights. If you're gone, then I'll move on. And maybe that's what was meant all along. Better single. Better single. I thought time would carry you away, but you're still here in everything I say. These roads we used to know, every step feels hollow, slow. Your laughter echoes in the air, but when I turn, you're not there. I kept your name inside my chest, like a prayer I never confessed. And even now through all this pain I whisper it Tell me, how do I move on when every piece of me is gone? I miss you. My heart feels empty without you. No matter how I try to hide, you're still the ache I keep inside. I can't still forget you. No one will know how I try to, but every night I fall apart. You left your shadow in my heart. Your shadow still sleeps beside my side in dreams where you're still mine. I wake up reaching out for you, but touch means nothing every time I hear your voice in passing winds, in songs, in silence deep within. And every memory we made now feels like love, slowly decayed. If love was real, then why'd you go? Why leave me here alone like so? I miss you. My heart feels empty without you. Every smile I try to fake just hides another silent break. I can't still forget you. No matter what I do, you're in my veins, you're in my scars. Your every wish on broken stars. If I could turn back time, I'd hold you one last time, tell you all the things I never said before you became a voice inside my head. I miss you. My heart's a hollow without you. Every breath I take feels wrong, like I'm still where you belong. I can't still forget you. I really miss you so much. And even if the world moves on, for me, you're never I still wait, even when I know you're not coming home. Here I walk the corridors of time again, through the gate of DM College of Arts and fell, where January rain kissed old red walls
and laughter hung down the hall. I was first year, you were second year, books pressed close to your heart, and I just watched from afar. I never said a word, never had the nerve to smile, just sat by the veranda, watching you all the while. Here I am, my silent love, my darling. Why does my heart wake tonight from silence calling? It's been 28 years, I still see your face in rain, but the colors fade, your smile's a blur again. My heart's not old, it still dreams true, even after time and storms blew through. Here I am, still singing for you, my love, my first, my only good. The veranda bench where I used to wait, your dimpled smile rewrote my fate. You passed me by, the world stood still, and I whispered love against my will. I chased those shadows, I chased those dreams, through college gates and sunset gleams. Though life pulled me far away, that look in your eyes still stays. Now I live a life that never felt like mine, bound to a story I read between the lines. Years went by, the mirror lies, but your memory never dies. Is it foolish to wonder, are you still alive? Did life treat you kind? Did your dreams survive? I tried to see your face tonight, but it dissolved in fading light. If fate allows, before I fade, I wish to see your smile someday. Not to hold, not to claim, just to see who once awakened me. Here I am, beneath January rain, remembering love that never came. In the gate of memories, I still stand, a boy with a dream, holding your hand. He still loves, he still loves, he still loves. I waited, trusting you would turn back right, but instead of fixing us, you let go. And even if you reach the one you always wanted, the pattern will will follow you there. I caught you once, you smiled and swore. I caught you twice, you closed the door. I steady, voice so calm, wearing innocence like a charm. You didn't panic, you didn't break. You rehearsed every word you'd say. No apology, no remorse, just perfect lies delivered soft. You didn't slip, you stayed in control. No trace of shame, no will to make it whole. Beautiful lies, clean face, careful plans. You hide behind silence like you got nothing to lose. Beautiful lies, you never say sorry. You burn the house, then cry in the fire and point at me. Every time I asked you, flipped the script, turned your guilt into questions of mine. Maybe you changed, maybe you're cold. You blame my heart for the choices you chose. You played the victim like it was fate, while hiding your plans behind that face. You never fix what you don't admit, and you never regret what you justify. Beautiful lies, you act so pure, even caught red-handed, you still deny for sure. Beautiful lies, you blame and smile. You look me in the eye and lie like you practiced for a while. This wasn't a moment, it was a method. You set the stage, secured the exits, built excuses before the fall. This isn't a mistake, it's a mindset. You don't change because you don't see wrong. You don't stop because you moved on. You don't feel shame, you feel control. You don't lose sleep, you lose what's whole. I wasn't the problem, I was the cover, the safe place while you chased another. Beautiful lies, now I see clear. You don't feel guilt, you don't feel fear. Beautiful lies, this ends today. I won't carry your darkness, I take the blame. I don't scream, I rise, I don't beg, I survive. You're walking away from me, is how I finally reclaim my life. Now I understand. This was the right ending. You'll keep your lies, I'll keep my name. You'll stay the same, I won't. Some people never learn where they walk, but I did. gone, crossed every line. I still call your name, I still cry in my mind. I don't know why. You were my dream, my darling. Now there's nothing left of you. I still feel you in my heart, but you're gone, we fell apart. My mind is breaking into pieces. Thoughts are falling in the dark. Every moment feels so heavy, like I'm lost without your heart. I remember how you held me. Now it feels so far away. All the love we built together, slowly fading day by day. You were my love, my darling. Now you're gone, crossed every line. I still call your name, I still cry in my mind. I don't know why. I can feel you slowly leaving, like a shadow in the air. You were everything I believed in. Now there's nothing left to share. You were mine, my darling, my desire. Now you're drifting far away, like a dream I can't hold on to. Gone like words I couldn't say. I never thought you would hurt me. I never thought you would go. We had something real and broken. Now I'm drowning all alone. You didn't just leave me behind. You left everything we made. Now I'm standing in the silence, watching memories slowly fade.
Whispers of you drift endlessly across the ocean's fragile sea. The stars recall what hearts forget. Yet love remains our quiet duet. Your shadow moves through silver streams, a soft reflection of our dreams. Even in silence, I feel you linger, fading away, yet pulling me deeper. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Even in the darkest night, through every scar, through every silent cry, you're still on my mind, my only woman. No distance, no one can rewrite this life. You're still on my mind, my only woman. In falling rain, your laughter flows through every tear. Your presence glows. Time may fade, but truth remains. In love's refrain, we break these chains, and every silence speaks your name. Each breath relights a fragile flame. Through every storm, through every fall, your voice still echoes through it all. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Even in the darkest night, through every scar, through every silent cry, you're still on my mind, my only woman. No distance, no one can rewrite this life. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Through fear and fire, through endless skies, our hearts still rise. They defy demise. Bound by a vow no one can sever. I'm yours now until the end of time. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Burning brighter through the night, through every loss, through every silent cry. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Even in shadows, you still shine. Your heart forever next to mine. You're still on my mind, my only woman. Your heart still beats next to mine, fading slow into the night. You're still on my mind, my only woman. If you can hear my heartbeat, you can hear everything. If you can feel this shattered rhythm, then you felt my echo too. If you can touch this silent ache, you will know my heart speaks louder than words ever could. How much I love you, I cannot say. It lives in the night, it hides in the day. I cried in shadows where no one sees. Your name like echoes inside of me. Do you feel this empty space? Thoibi, I still see your face. If you can hear my heartbeat, you will know. Through every storm, wherever I go, all kings will fall, all power will end. Love is all I need, love is all I want. If you can hear my heartbeat, you know love is the last thing we can't let go. I see your face inside the rain, I feel your touch inside my pain. Your smile breaks my darkest night, but your silence pulls me out of light. Far away, still my heart returns to you. No matter what I try to do, if you can hear my heartbeat, you will know. Through fire and shadows, I never let go. All worlds may break, all empires fall. Power is nothing. Love is all. Love is all. No crown can save a broken heart, no throne can make the broken whole, no gold can heal a wounded mind, no power can restore what's gone. Ashes, ashes, power turns to dust. Only love remains with us. I walked through halls of fear and pride, but every room was empty inside. I saw the strength of kings and men, but none could hold my heart like then. What is power without your name? What is victory without you? If you can hear my heartbeat, you will know. There's nowhere in this world I won't go. Let kingdoms burn, let the sky fall. Power is nothing. Love is all. Power is nothing.
color and the stars refuse to shine. If the world turns silent, your hand is still in mine. Even when the seasons change who we used to be, your name is written in every part of me. No goodbye can break this, no ending can undo what my heart has written. It belongs to you. I will always love you. I will always hold you close. Even when the night is long, I will always stay beside you. Even when you're gone, I will always love you. I will always hold you. I will always remember you. Forever in my arms, I will always love you. I will always love you. No woman is ever wholly a man's. Not the poor man, not the billionaire, not even the king behind stone walls. For somewhere within her, there lives a quiet fox, hidden in tall grass, watching, waiting, and it moves when he is gone. These women, faithful perhaps, but only to the tremor of feeling, not to the weight of a promise, nor the silence of vows. When lies begin their quiet orbit and betrayal cuts without sound, you stand, a stranger in her story. Then learn, my son, to walk away. Let the past fall. Remain here this moment. The only ground we own. Break the chains, release the shadow. This breath is reality. This is beginning. I never sought this, never foresaw. Life writes in ink we cannot refuse. Her road was hers, untouched by mine. So I chose to loosen my hands. 1,000 nights I wondered, better the depth of a narrow well, empty, silent, contained, than to drown in an endless ocean, grasping at the shadow of trust. I cannot hold what was never given, not the light, not the laughter, not the flame. Her world burned bright beyond my reach, a door I was never meant to cross. Let the past fall. Remain here this moment. The only ground we own. Break the chains, release the shadow. This breath is reality. This is beginning. I broke and broke again. This This road was carved in quiet suffering. Each choice a blade without mercy. Each night a weight upon the chest. Yet somewhere within the fracture, something ends.